Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into your Discover credit card account. Whether you are a new user or need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Visit the Discover website. Type in the URL for the Discover credit card website, www.discover.com. Press Enter to navigate to the homepage. Step 3. Locate the login button. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button positioned at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your credentials. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your email address or username in the first field. In the second field, input your password. Make sure that both entries are correct to avoid any login issues. Step 5. Stay signed in. Optional. If you wish to remain logged in for future visits, check the box labeled Keep Me Signed In. This step is optional, but can save you time in the future. Step 6. Click on the Login button. After ensuring your credentials are correct, click the green Login button to access your account. Step 7. Troubleshooting login issues. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link beneath the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access to your account. That's it. You are now successfully logged into your Discover credit card account. From here, you can manage your account, check your balance, and view your transactions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.